Hello and welcome to How to Guide. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can sign in or log into your Credit Karma account. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open any type of browser you have on your PC and go to the search bar to search for Credit Karma. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. After you click on the first link, you will be taken to the official page of Credit Karma, where on the right hand side you can see the login option. Go ahead and click on login, which is right here. Now what you need to do is write down your email address in the first box and go ahead on the second box and write down the password. Make sure your password is correct by clicking on this show icon. Go ahead and click on login and you will be logged into your Credit Karma account. If you cannot log into your account, you can click on this link and try another way. If you don't have an account yet, you can create an account now by clicking on this or this link over here. Go ahead and click on login and you can easily log into your Credit Karma account. So guys, I hope this video about how you can log into your Credit Karma account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.